Jamaica, time coming up. Time come, the date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golding. Because fold your fist, wave your hand, because walk around, district carton, because PNP, because PNP, because PNP, because fold your fist, wave your hand, because time come, wave your hand, because PNP, because PNP, because hey, the other day Mark Walker running all over town. Everybody come out and just gather around in the all night. Everything was a beautiful sight. The other day Mark take a walk down a Manchester. They never know so much PNP live down here in the all night. Everything was alright. PNP we go so, fold your fist, raise your hand we go so, walk round district carton we go so, PNP we go so, PNP we go so, 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 fold your fist, raise your hand we go so, walk round district carton we go so, time come we go so, 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 and the world Jamaica say Mark Golding. Everybody step out and vote for Mark Golding. We say alright, we celebrate for the all night. Jamaica, you know see the country it now run right. Everybody shout out Mark Golding time. We say alright, right now we might go set things right. Put long rich and go so, fold your fist, raise your hand go so, walk round district carton we go so, Westmoreland go so, and over go so, wave your hand inna the air and go so, walk around inna the town and go so, Mark Golding go so, Dayton go so, because every nurse and doctor just hold on tight. Mark Golding now go make your pay look right. Them say alright, Mark Golding said things right. Hey, all police and soldier come here tonight. Mark Golding I go make your check look right. Him say alright, Mark Golding said things right. Hey, education dead for every children.